to my channel. In today's video I'm showing you signals that means that Bitcoin is going to be going to the moon in the next few weeks. Currently trading at $19,000 per coin, and we are currently getting a small breakout. It may seem significant and big for the moment, but the biggest stuff is due to come definitely through February. At the moment we are looking on the weekly time frame, and we do have a couple of resistance levels that we need to break over the next few weeks. Especially the $20,000 mark needs to be broken by Sunday to confirm this, and that is what I am waiting for. If we can crack the $20,000 range, which is just here, then hopefully if we can crack above here with a wick on the weekly above $20,000, we'll be making a rally all the way up, right up here to near, I think it's about $30,000. There we go, $30,000 on this next resistance line up here. So we have the bottom line here and the next one slightly further up, which is crazy to think that. So the first one I'll draw in there. The second resistance line we will have across here. So we have these two lines to watch out, and these are going to be resistance. Like I said, if we get above 20k, we could use 20k as a firm support, and if we do get above 30k, then we can use that as a support as well. The next resistance line will be a crazy one, and it's going to be one of the biggest pushes, and it's going to be to $47,000. This is how we're going to slowly make our way up to 100,000. So this line here, we'll be making our way up to $47,000. Once we push past that, we will be going back to the all-time high all the way up here at $68,000. The time frame that I give for this to happen will definitely be well into like the second quarter of the year. We could see April or May time when we retest these highs. I'm expecting some huge wicks just like here. These are weekly candles, bear in mind. So checking this out, you can see the weekly candles, that 1, 2, 3, 4 weekly candles gave us a pump from $19,000 all the way up to $33,000. That is just 3 weeks alone, up to $33,000, which would take us to our very our second like resistance line. So 3 weeks, like I said, that will be mid-February. Like I said, the first resistance line will be broken hopefully this Sunday to confirm this up to $30,000. So we should see a $30,000 Bitcoin hopefully by mid-February. Taking a look at the next little rally that we did have from $30,000 here, looks like we actually went from $30,000 all the way up in a huge climb right up to $57,000. Now I don't think that's going to happen this time. Like I said, we're going to obviously have to bounce off of this 47,000 first as resistance, because as you can see here, for many weeks here through last year, September 2021, we were bouncing off this support and resistance line. I'll draw this in here now. Going across here, you can see that this is acted as support, got rejected, went up to retest again as resistance. We broke through, come back down, started using it as like a resistance again, gained support above, went up to our all-time high in November 2021. We come back down, we managed to go 3 weeks using this as support before we finally broke down, and we made our way all the way across and continued to drop down lower when we could not break back above the $47,000 level. So overall, once this has been broken about April or May time, we could end up seeing a huge rally up to at least $100,000, because skies are the limit past this place, because there is no more resistance. There's only going to be nothing but support at the $67,000 to $68,000. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, drop a like. See you on my next one.